Don't fight now, boys. Need to get away from the heat. There's a nice cool spot right here. You just want to get your brother's toes. Look down there. It's a nice little spot to get away. I know. Let's go, babies. Them's is good babies. Hey there, Pip. I think I'm gonna get a little water sprayer and mist some water over them. I don't really know what else to do, but it looks pretty dry in there. I don't see any blood or mucus or any of that. Just a little chicken nose. Just a little chicken nose in there. I'm going to try to help him out a little bit. Not too much. I don't want to interfere, but I definitely don't want to lose him. Say bye. Tweet you later.